Welcome back student, I am Santosh Misra, your account teacher, and we are doing the chapter dissolution of partnership. In dissolution of partnership we have covered the formats of realization account and partners capital bank account, and also we covered all the journal entry regarding the realization and so many questions. So this is another question for you, question number 15. So in question number 15, student, Verma and Sarma were partner. This is the question number 15. Verma and Sarma. Verma and Sarma were partner in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 3:1 on 31st March 2018, and their balance sheet was as follow. This is the capital account Verma Sarma 1,20,000 and 80,000. It will be transferred in the credit side of capital account written as by balance BD 1,20,000 and 80,000. Creditor worth rupees 70,000. It will be transferred in the credit side of the realization account. First of all, we transfer all the liability item into the realization, or you can say as well as partner capital account. So where they should go, we transfer all these items. So in the asset side, land and building 70,000, machinery 60,000, debtor 80,000 and bank 60,000. We transfer all three items into the debit side of the realization for closing these account. Land and building 70,000. So two sundry asset in the realization side we write as two sundry asset, land and building 70,000, machinery 60,000 and debtor 80,000, and we will transfer this bank account. It will not transferred in the realization account, it will transfer in the bank account written as two balance BD 60,000. The firm was dissolved on 1st April 2014 and the asset and liability were settled as follows. Creditor 50,000 took over land and building in full settlement of their claim. Student, this is the most important adjustment. Creditor took over the land and building, so we will not sell the land and building, we will not realize the land and building, and we also will not pay the creditors amount worth रुपीज़ 50,000. मतलब ना हम लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग को बेचेंगे 50,000 में, ना हम क्रेडिटर को 50,000 का पेमेंट करेंगे. क्या है, रिमेनिंग क्रेडिटर वर पेड इन कैश. तो 70,000 है तो 50,000 का लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग के लिए वो लोग सेटल हो गए, तो बस केवल हम 20,000 का हम पेमेंट करेंगे क्रेडिटर का, और वो भी पेमेंट क्रेडिटर का लाइबिलिटी का ट्रांसफ़र करने के बाद लाइबिलिटी का पेमेंट रियलाइजेशन के डेबिट में होता है. मशीन जो है डेप्रिसिएशन पे बेची गई है 30%, सो इट विल रिकॉर्डेड इन द क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ द रियलाइजेशन. डेटर कलेक्ट हो गया है, 500 कॉस्ट लगा है, सो वी डिडक्ट दिस कॉस्ट फ्रॉम द रियलाइज्ड अमाउंट ऑफ द डेटर. दैट्स वाई डेटर इज 80,000 of worth rupees 80,000, and now we will receive 79,500 from the debtor, and expense of the realization 1,700. It will record in the debit side of the realization account written as two bank 1,700, and pass necessary journal entry for the dissolution of the firm. So this is the very simple question. So first of all, we transfer all the asset in the debit side of the realization accounts. Two sundry asset, land and building 70,000, machinery 60,000, debtor 80,000. क्योंकि इन सब का डेबिट बैलेंस रहता है और हम लोग इसको ट्रांसफ़र कर रहे हैं, तो एंट्री क्या हो जाएगी, रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट डेबिट, रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग टू सन्ड्री एसेट्स. सो दिस विल द जनरल एंट्री वर्थ रुपीज़ 2,10,000 and being sundry asset transferred to the realization, and After that, we will transfer all the liability in the credit side of the realization written as by sundry liability, or you can say by creditor. So what will the entry? Creditor account debit, creditor or sundry liability account debit to realization, to realization. This will the entry 70,000 and 70,000, and after that we will realize all the assets written as by bank. So machinery realized for after depreciation 30% 42,000, and debtor the cost of realizing the debtor is 500, then we will write as we will receive only 79,500 in the credit side of the realization account as by bank. So what will the entry? Bank account debit for the sale of asset, bank account debit to realization account. This is the entry for sale of the assets which are already transferred to realization account. So total amount is 1,21,500, and after transferring this item, after realizing the asset, we will pay to the creditor. Creditor settled for worth rupees 50,000 by accepting the land and building. So we paid only 20,000 to the creditor, the balance amount, and expenses is 1,700. So this will then entry realization account debit to bank, creditor and expenses paid 21,700. After doing this, we will total the debit side, total of debit side is 2,31,700, and credit side is less than the debit side, that's why it is a loss on realization. So it will be distributed between the partner in the profit sharing ratio. So 30,150, 10,050, this is the distribution of the loss. And after doing this, we will here the balance of opening balance of capital account, by balance BD 1,20,000 and 80,000, and this is the realization loss, realization account. It is the loss on the realization 30,150, 10,050, and after that final payment will be made to the partners 89,850 and 69,950. So this is the opening balance of bank account 60,000. When we realize the asset written as by bank, it will come in the debit side of the bank account written as to realization account 1,21,500 being for the sundry assets sold, and this is for the payment of liability and expenses by realization account 21,700. This is recording in the, this is already recorded in the debit side of the realization written as to bank. Then while preparing bank account, it should be credited by realization account, and this amount also will transfer in the credit side of the realization because bank account, because it is a payment, final payment to the partners 89,850 and 69,950. After totaling 1,81,500 and 1,81,500, bank account is matched. So this is the question of realization account. So this is the procedure. First record all assets in the debit side, transfer all assets in the debit side except bank account. Bank will transfer here in bank account, and the fictitious balance that if debit balance of partners capital is debit balance of PL account is given, then it should be transferred in the debit side of the partners capital. Advertisement suspense if given in the balance sheet, it should be also transferred in the debit side of the realization and in their profit sharing ratio. And after that we will transfer the liability in the credit side of the realization account written as by sundry liability, and After, if there is any reserve in the liability side of the balance sheet, it should be transferred here, written as by reserve, and it will be distributed between the partner in their profit sharing ratio. And if partner's loan is already given, then it will the separate account for the loan will be prepared and written as by balance BD. And after transferring the liability in their respective place, you can say credit side of the realization, credit side of the partner's capital, credit side of the loan account. We will sold all the assets, whatever mentioned in the question, that if machinery is sold at the 30% less than the book value, then we record by bank, machinery and debtor. We record. If question does not specify that about the assets, selling of the assets, we will not record here. If question says that sundry, if particular asset is sold for the particular amount, then it should be recorded in the credit side. And after that, after realizing the asset, we will pay the liability, whether mentioned in the question or not. All the liability should be paid. So written as to bank, the payment will be recorded in the credit side of the bank account, and the receipt of the cash is recorded in the debit side of the bank. And after doing this, we will pack up the account, and either profit or loss will arise through the realization account, and it should be transferred in the capital account. If loss is presented, it should be debited, and if profit is occur, then it should be credited. And now after balancing, after closing the partner capital account, we make the final payment to the partner written as to bank, 89,950, 69,950. All the payments will be recorded in the credit side, payment of the liability, payment of the capital, and all the assets which are realized in cash, then bank balance will be increased. So it is recorded in the debit side, and the debit and credit side of the bank account will be definitely matched. If it will match, so then you can say that your question is correct. So I think it is all about, it is enough for today. So thank you, student. We will in next video I will make some question for you. So thank you so much.